I need to go to the pet shop to get some stuff for the dog, and despite the fact the weather's not great, I thought I'd take the MG. Now when I say it's not great, it is or was raining. Looks like it might again soon, and although I know I've said in many previous videos that I refuse to drive the car with the roof up, I'm going to put the roof up. So as you can see, my roof is not in the best of conditions. I could really do with a new one. There's even holes over here. I'm saving up to get a tonneau cover so that I haven't got to use the roof. If I want to drive it in the rain, I'll just unzip my half and get wet. Alright, let's lift that up. Got our little poppers. There we are. 2, 3. Is that one going to go on? There we are. And I've got a popper on that side. Like that. There is Velcro down here, but the roof doesn't quite reach it. Let's do the other side. And then up here we've got 2 clips. Just got to line them up. I have a habit of going the wrong side of the windscreen. Might need 2 hands for this. There we go, they're popped in now. Shut the door. So you can tell the roof on the midget is not the greatest roof. I'll say I'm not really a great fan of the way these look with the roof up anyway, but beats getting wet. One other reason I don't like driving this with the roof up is I can hardly see anything out the back windows, and that's with them having been cleaned. Obviously the side window's fine, front window's fine, driver's window's fine, so I'm literally working off that mirror at the moment. But I can sort of see, but it's kind of a bit like driving with a cataract, I suppose. Right, let's go to the shops. I figure we'll go the scenic route along the seafront. When this still had the 1500 Triumph engine, coming out of here was always entertaining. It just used to go sideways big time. I think now we've got a cable clutch, it's a little bit more controllable than the old hydraulic one. so much easier for us. There we go. Because we don't want the little MG stolen. This crook lot was actually, I had that in my very first car. It was a hand-me-down from my mum. So, thanks, Mum. Right, shopping. As you can hear, probably, it is now really raining. I just reviewed the footage from earlier on, and I apologise for the camera being so high and the fact that you caught most of the roof. I've kind of lowered it on my head a bit now, so hopefully it's a bit better. Right, we've now got to negotiate that massive flood. Oh dear. Okay, here comes the big problem with my back window. I can't see anything out of it. Okie dokie. Feel a breeze. Feel a breeze. Oh look, there's nothing coming. There's nothing coming. Oh, that's. Oh shit, that's deep. Yeah, we're gonna go around this. Yeah, I caught a bit more of that water than I was expecting to, and maybe hoping to. BMW and Audi drivers, but in that case it was a Volkswagen driver. I suppose it's kind of Audi. I gotta say, this is the first time the wipers have been, well, the first time the car's been driven in the rain. Well, I've had four and a half years, and before I had she was off the road since '92. So and this is the same, I haven't changed the wiper motor, this is the same wiper motor that came on the car. Well, that, ladies and gentlemen, was the first time I've driven this in the rain for about 4.5 years of ownership, and yeah, she did quite well. We also had that big puddle, which was a bit wetter than I thought, and the roof looks a bit different now. As always, thanks for watching. Please do let me know in the comments what you thought of this video. I know it's a bit different to my normal how to fix them or do bits on the MG. But if you want more like this, I do tend to drive out with some car clubs, so I can do some stuff like that. Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you next time.